Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs, and today we're going to be installing JDM plates on a Passat wagon using our new JDM brackets. Let's go. Alrighty, so the customer has just purchased the car and he wants to put on his personalised plates, JDM plates, which are a lot taller. But the problem is that a lot of Volkswagens and Audis, especially if you're mounting to your tailgate, the mounting holes are there and there. And he doesn't want to drill. So we're going to use our new JDM plate brackets that will reposition the holes so you can mount the plate up. I'll show you how to get that done. Okay, first step, we're just going to take off the plates. And then you can see the factory mounting holes. So that's on a metal tailgate and you've got no choice but to mount it there. We're going to use our JDM brackets to relocate the holes. Maybe there or there. And then the plate will just line up with the factory holes there. So we'll get that done now. The first step is to get the bracket on the car. We're going to use the bottom slot here. And that way we can get the plate nice and high. We're going to use the hardware provided with the kit along with the spacer, and that just stands off, makes the plate stand off a car just a little bit to give it that floating look, and also stays away from the paint if you do require it. So we can pop these on. Now, let's go thread this on by hand, and then we'll center it later on. Now the bracket's on, just go center it, and then tighten it down. The last step is to put the plate on. So the 4 holes from the number plate will match up with that bracket. So all you're gonna do is line it up and put the bolts in. As a precaution, we're just gonna put a bit of tape on the bottom here, just to stop any unwanted rattles. And there you have it, JDM plates fitted onto a Volkswagen Passat. Now these brackets do fit various makes and models, so including your JDM cars, we make provisions for BMW, Porsche, Audi, of course Volkswagen. So if you need help mounting your JDM plates, let me know and I'd be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching.